Hey guys, just a quick video to show off a couple new animals that we just got. I'm going to apologize ahead of time if you hear some of that background noise. There's no stopping my birds this time of year. Bear with me, I'll make this quick. We got two new animals from Guess Who, Brent Bumgardner. We've got this beauty here. She is an Arctic Superconda. She's in shed right now. We'll be obviously using her in the next couple of years. Awesome looking snake, very silvery. You can see it better if you compare it with a normal Superconda, which we can do in a later video. And her neighbor is this, oops, almost dropped him. This is a Arctic Conda. He is even prettier than our other Arctic Conda. Very, very pleased with him. I love it when we can get some hold-back animals from some excellent fellow breeders. It is so worth it. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for our next videos.